Today we are going to see how we can use Facebook Marketplace to sell our stuff. Click on Marketplace and click Sell. You're now ready to add new listing. There are several categories. Let's see what we can add. For this one, let's use women clothing and shoes. Then ours will be new, which you can import and resell. Then you give a brand name. You can also resell your old used clothes. Size, we can say all sizes. Then you describe what you're selling. It's brand new clothes imported. So this is like drop shipping, where you buy, you import, then come and resell. Then give the price in your currency. Then you give the location where you're selling. Like me, I'm in Kenya. So in your location, you get all the areas that are within. Then you describe your product or service. So this is what the customer will see on. Try to be as descriptive as possible. And you can sell as many products as you can. So this way you also tell your clients whether you deliver and which locality you deliver, and if it is outside the locality, whether there are additional charges and such stuff. You can also give your contacts here if you want them to contact you directly. So we'll see in the next tutorial how you can order the products and where you can buy them. Then you come and resell. So we give as much details as we can. You can also tell the client whether you're selling as a retail or as a wholesale. Then you give the availability, whether you're selling as a single item or the available in stock. That is, you only have one item or you have many items. You can also offer shipping if you're buying outside. You can also limit your flights from saying, then you upload a photo and publish a listing. So if you go to Marketplace, then your item, you'll be able to see what you're selling. It will be waiting for approval, and you can edit the details. So in the next tutorial, we'll be seeing where we can source our product and come and add them to our cart. Thank you.